Hi, everybody, and welcome. It's our first lecture for Marketing 300. It's fall 2023. I'm really happy to have you all in class. I'll be doing these lectures every other week. I have filmed some interviews with local business owners and operators. I'm also just going to share some career tips with all of you as we are making our way through the learnings of what marketing is and how it will apply to you in your career. I just want to start by briefly introducing the class, introducing myself, and then we'll talk a little bit about your first assignment for week one. My name's Amber. I'm Professor Amber Rich. I teach this Marketing 300 course. I also teach Marketing 314, which is advertising. So if you take another marketing class, be sure to sign up for my advertising class as well. In this class, Marketing 300, it's an introduction to marketing. And so we'll be reading the textbook Applied Marketing. I put a link to some information on how to get a copy of your book. Please know that I will also post PowerPoint slides in each of the modules for class. So if you don't have your book yet, you can look through the PowerPoint slides typically until you're able to get your book. And I just want you to know, as you're taking this class with me, marketing, whether this is your degree, whether marketing is your degree or not, marketing is a crucial aspect of any business strategy. And so this class will be helpful for you no matter what career choice you make. In today's highly competitive, globalized work environment, businesses need effective marketing professionals to help them develop strategies that will help their business stand out from the competition. So this will be a very good class for you no matter your career choice. The principles that we learn in here, things like defining a target audience, communicating effectively, problem solving, adapting to different market conditions, all those principles will apply and be relevant in any job. So I'm really excited that you're here. And I think no matter your choice in careers, in jobs, in life, this marketing class will be really helpful for you. So I'm glad that you're here. You have a couple of assignments this week. The most important assignment is watching this video and reading the syllabus, getting really comfortable with Canvas. If Canvas is new to you, I put some tutorials and steps on how to learn how to use Canvas if this is your first Canvas class. And then another assignment this week is to post on our class discussion board. I'll be asking you to post on there pretty frequently. If you've taken a class from ARC or any Los Rios class, you are probably familiar with posting on the class discussion board and interacting with your peers on this board. It's kind of like a social media page for our class where we just post things and we can reply and like others' posts. So it can help you get to know your fellow students, and then it helps me get to know you, and it's a way for us to kind of write and communicate with each other. Your first class discussion post on our board is asking you a series of questions. So you'll need to put on the discussion board your name and whether you're getting a certificate or a degree, or if you're just taking the class for fun, that's okay too. Where you currently work, a place you've worked in the past, or where you want to work one day. If you have a dream job you want to talk about, tell me about that. And then please tell me why you're interested in marketing. Is this a required course? Do you want to learn something in this class that you think will help you with your business goals, with your career goals? Tell me why you're interested in marketing. And then I also want to know what you like to do in your free time, because part of what I do in this class is I try to tailor the interviews that I do, and I try to tailor the examples that I give in all of our video lectures to the things that are relevant for you, the students in the class. So if you tell me you want to be a realtor, we have a realtor certificate program here at American River College. And so I get lots of students in this class who are interested in being realtors. If you are one of those students, tell me that so that I can make sure to talk about how to utilize these marketing principles in the work environment for a realtor. How do other realtors use these principles? What are some examples of what they're doing to set themselves apart from their competition, both locally and, globally? What does that look like? How do I help you be a better marketer as you march toward your career choice? So tell me what you're interested in doing so that I can tailor the class and make it really relevant for all of you. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. So, you know my name, Amber, Professor Amber Rich. I have a master's degree from the University of Southern California in Los Angeles in public relations, which is very close and related to marketing, kind of falls under the marketing umbrella. I also have 2 bachelor's degrees, one in marketing and one in advertising. So those are relevant and they'll be helpful for this class. A place that I work is Meisner Sewing. It's a little retail company based here in Sacramento, headquartered here in Sacramento. We have 5 retail locations across Northern California, and we sell and service sewing machines for both people sewing at home for fun and for businesses like alterations shops and bigger businesses that do modifications on your clothes like Nordstrom. I am in charge of the stores, so I report directly to the owners, and so I'm going to be sharing with you some of the use case scenarios and examples of what we do in terms of marketing, because I oversee the marketing as well. And I'll give you some examples that are happening and relevant today in today's work environment, which I hope will be helpful for you. In addition to doing the job at Meisner Sewing, I also teach here at American River College. I always knew I would teach, and part of why I do this is because I want to give you the experience that I had with some of my most favorite professors, and some of the best instructors for me in school were those who were working full time. So they would bring some examples from their day-to-day job into the classroom and really share relevant examples related to things happening in the local environment we had class in. And so that was really helpful and important for me. I hope that that will be helpful and relevant for you as I share those examples in this class. I'm interested in teaching marketing because I think it's really critical. It's something that will help you succeed in any of your career choices, as we talked about. I think it's a skill. You'll learn skills in this class and in all of your marketing classes in terms of how to reach customers, define customers, and reach customers, and then how to be constantly adapting. And those principles are critical in marketing, but those principles are also critical in life, right? And so I love this set of classes that I teach because I think they're going to help you no matter what you do. Something I like to do in my free time is spend a lot of time with my dogs. You'll see my dogs in our videos. I've got 2 dogs now, and they are a handful. And so a lot of my life is revolved around whatever they have happening. I'm always looking for like a fun place to take them. I do little community things. I go to parks in the dog park, and they have friends. I now go to dog birthday parties, which I love. I also host dog birthday parties. So I'm a crazy dog mom for sure. I also like to sew, and I like to bake. I like spending time with my friends. I belong to some book clubs because I love to read and just hang out with people who also like to read. So that's a little bit about me. I'm going to learn a little bit about each of you on our class discussion board as you post this week as part of your assignment. I will be hosting office hours every Thursday, so make sure you find that information on the dates and the link, the Zoom link that you can use. If you ever have questions about the assignments or you just want to chat, I am always on Zoom on Thursdays. If that time doesn't work for you, if you work and you're not able to make it to that appointment, shoot me an email. I'm happy to jump on the phone with you at a different time. We can get on Zoom at another time. That's just kind of my set time each week. Every Thursday I will be on Zoom. You can just pop in there. You don't have to make an appointment. You can pop in and come and ask questions. So happy to help. I'm really happy you're here. I think you will really enjoy this class, and reach out if I can be of any additional help. Welcome to Marketing 300.